So I'll be showing you how to cancel call diversions on your Nokia phone. So let's say you had set up a call diversion, either to divert all incoming calls or maybe incoming calls when you're busy, and now you want to cancel that. Go to the main menu and then look for settings. Select settings. Under settings, scroll down to call settings, select that, and then on the call settings page, scroll down or just go up, remain up there and select call divert. Just select that, and then under call divert, scroll down to the bottom until you see cancel all diverts. Select that. That's going to start requesting, and as you can see, it's going to say call divert is now inactive for synchronous services. And that's basically what it means to cancel all call diversions on your Nokia phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.